Tell me, girl.
Tell me
what
story
you
is only
already
how.
know. I need a little reminder so I don't let go.
This lady, she's from Khasi. I used to see her in most
Feel
of
this while
music video.
I'm
She's famous actress there.
in the
But this guy is my first time seeing him.
cold. Tell me what you already know. Sweet nothings in my ear. Let's keep it low.
Hello
Everyone.
Meghalaya, Khasi people, kum no pilong. Welcome back. This is your foreigners boys or foreigners out here because she's out here with us.
I'm a girl.
Yeah, you are a girl. So tell them. Subi?
Hello everyone, my name is Subi and I'm from Nepal.
Okay.
This is Muhib from Sudan.
And today we are going to check Tell Me by Rijune, guys. Don't forget, go and check our previous reaction we made. It's not like a reaction, it's actually like something
Language
important.
learning.
Yeah, we learned Khasi translation to English, guys. And in that video,
Arabic and Nepali. We taught you Arabic and Nepali.
yeah, in that video also you will learn Nepali,
Arabic.
Arabic and English because we also translate it to you guys. So
Yeah.
go and check it. Don't forget also, subscribe now and let's go. The shoot will be at 6 a.m. tomorrow.
Don't be late. No worry.
No, it's okay. We are three. We'll use it. Okay. I'm feeling sleepy. Okay, we'll catch up tomorrow. Yeah. We're planning to shoot the music video. Okay, good night.
Even if you speak, it's no advantage.
Yeah, no problem. Advantage. It's advantage. I'm holding the mic now. If you speak, it will be clear.
Tell me.
But you have to mute this because you are putting the video.
No need, don't worry. Where is that place, guys?
Let me make it easy. Just
Okay.
follow me.
Make it easy for her, bro.
First put on my jacket and let's go to the
Yeah, that is English, man. You don't need subtitle.
reflect on our crazy thoughts. Wave out
It's an English song. You told it's Khasi song? Oh, there's no Khasi song. They don't need even to put subtitle.
Tell me, girl.
Tell me
what you
story is only
already
how.
know. I need a little reminder so I don't let go.
This lady, she's from Khasi. I used to see her in most of music video. She's famous actress there. But this guy is my first time seeing him.
Tell me what you already know. Sweet nothings in my ear. Let's keep it low.
He
Keep
has the
it
talent. He has the talent.
low.
But this place doesn't look like Meghalaya. I don't know. I'm not sure. Even the guy is he
Am I
doesn't look.
going too fast? I know
Is he,
we
is he a
only
Khasi,
just
guys? Let us
met.
know this guy.
It's Khasi. 100%.
I like to
Really?
be
The lady only I know her. I know.
This guy says,
He sounds so good. Not even like
your favorite
So, I mean, like, the Khasi people, they sing not good.
no Khasi people mostly they sing in their language.
You just need to keep me near. Tell
Nobody.
me, girl.
You know, I never reacted to a Khasi person singing a full English song. Have you ever found?
No, I found mixed English with Khasi.
Oh, Jesse Lindo.
Let go.
Jesse Lindo. Yeah.
Feel this while I'm
This
even
music is peace of mind. Peace of
Yeah,
mind.
it's piece of cake. Also.
Tell me what you already know.
Maybe you're so silent.
Sweet nothings in my ear.
Because no,
Let's
focus.
keep it low.
Like a hunter. Focusing on your target.
Keep it low.
Tell
Keep
me.
it low. Let's keep it low.
No.
Keep it low.
Keep it low.
Keep it low.
Low for me. Hey, Jed. What happened, DJ? It's about to go down.
Okay.
He faint.
Now I start dancing.
He was dreaming.
He was dreaming, bro. Wake up, man. What the heck is that? Bro,
What, yeah?
even the music didn't yet start and you're dreaming here.
Wake up,
Check your phone. What the heck? No reply. Sorry, I can't make it. 22.
22 missed calls.
Sorry, the music video failed.
He missed.
Yeah, that is it, guys.
He couldn't make it. He couldn't. Unfortunately, out of blue, we were sleeping.
Mhm.
So now the thing
So
is,
now Subi will tell us because she told us she was
Yeah.
focusing. So tell us what do you think about the music video?
I think he was dreaming.
He was dreaming.
About his crush or girlfriend. Because there was 22 missed call. Maybe it was girlfriend, golden.
Okay, back to reality. You watch a music video. Was it a dream?
Yes, it was dream.
That's the story only, Subi.
like just copy paste.
That's the story.
Just bring me what you saw. What do you think?
You already watched a full music video and still you're telling us a dream? That is the story. This is how they make it.
The boy was dreaming.
We know. That's a story.
That I was telling the plot of this music video.
They all know. Tell us, what do you think? How do you rate? What do you like about this music video?
At first, you said that location. Where is it?
I don't know even the question. I was just asking. How do you think of his talent? Like, how
Okay.
good is he?
He has the
He
talent.
already made the music video, but this is
He
just
has,
like
to be honest, he has a talent. I can rate 8 out of 10.
this is his song he sang. He recorded a music video. You already saw him singing.
Yeah,
right?
I can rate him out 8 out of 10 because like he did his best, even the music in English only. So I will give him 8 out of 10. What, by the way, what his name?
Rijune.
Rijune. Yeah, keep it up. What do you rate? How do
I
you rate?
rate 8 by 10.
Yeah, guys. So anyway, this guy is let me go. He don't have that much of music video, but anyway, this is really one of the best music video. As I said earlier, guys, I never like watch a full Khasi song like this, and it is in English. Like usually I used to find most of them they sing in Khasi language, and few of them also they sing mixed with the local language. But this guy is sang purely in English, guy, and he really made it like this is best. Like I feel like I'm listening to like to Western music, like those of Ed and Sheeran. Like you see, this
Yeah, I
guy,
don't understand.
his way is so calm, and the music is so perfect. This lady also, she's from Meghalaya. I used to find her. She's a
Like
good
tell us
actress.
something new. You already saw the video. Like what
Right?
do you rate from 1 to 10?
Yeah, his video is good. I can give him 9, guys. It's very good. Just imagine if this kind of person will sing English and Khasi at
You
the
know
same
Khasi?
song. He knows for sure. If he's from Meghalaya, definitely he knows
Yeah,
Khasi. Then he will win the world, not only the Khasi people.
Yeah, he will take the song, the music.
Yeah, he
global.
will take global. See, if he's singing in English, that is being global.
Yeah.
Okay, but if he will sing now mixed with Khasi, then he's going to win the whole Meghalaya.
Yeah.
Not only Meghalaya, the whole India.
The whole world.
The whole world, yeah, that is it, guys.
It's
So
very true.
yeah, keep it out, Rijune or Rijune.
Let them know what's
Let
going
them
on.
know, guys. It's our first time reacting to him. Love from Africa.
Like,
Till next
share.
time.